Beer lang.
No? You know?
Look! Look! Look, there's a river!
We start over again.
Yeah.
Wow. What can you say about the mussels? Fried mussels?
It's the best so far.
Best? Wow.
Tapos may gate pa yun sa mahuganihan. Adventure starts here.
Ay nako. Itong gawa natin. Ay nako, itong trabaho natin na to. Gawa natin.
Dito kami sa taas ng bundok at naghahanap kami dito ng ilog. Ayan o. Dito mayroong daan pababa. Subukan namin magbaba kung dyan may ilog. Kasi naghahanap kami ng ilog eh. Kasi mukhang meron. Ano Kim? Ha? Malaman natin kung may agos o wala. Let's see. Babain ko lang doon ha? Or may magsama? I will check it. There's a river. Guys, meron kami narinig na ano na tubig. Meron akong narinig konti. Kung makikita natin. Meron. Look! Look! Look, there's a river! Oh? Tingnan mo, you know? There's a river, oh. See, oh, look. There, oh.
Madami man.
Oh, marami yan. Siyempre gubat yan eh. Pero safe yan. Galing sa bundok.
Sige,
Huh?
natin.
Let's check. Let's check. Not here. Eh, baka sa kabila. Ha? Yan, tao nga. So yun guys, nakakita kami ng ilog. Mas maganda doon nak. Doon tayo. Mas maganda doon, you know. Mas malalo na part. Ha? 100 dyan?
Ito lang sa may
50 meters ahead. Share na.
Ang bike ko, siguradong hindi makakapasok yan. Pero yung kay Sir Phil, kayang-kaya. Adventure bike yan. Your bike can go under the...
Nget, alanganin ka. Matarik! Too steep.
So beautiful guys. So beautiful hair.
Walking. So fresh air.
Okay guys, we speak English here. Guess we have a special guest. There is a kalabaw.
So yun guys, welcome sa panibagong video ng cooking. At sa video na to, magluluto tayo ng seafoods. Ito meron tayong dalang maliit nga lang na ano na ito,
Fish fillet.
na tawag dito ay stingray. pagi ano. Wala kasi kami nabili na malaki kaya ito na lang naabutan namin. So ito yung lulutuin natin. Tapos meron tayong dalang tahong. Tawag dito sa English? Mussel. Yeah. Tingas tayo ng apoy tapos start na tayo magluto. Dito pala tayo guys sa bagong spot natin. Nakita natin na maganda dito sa bundok. May kasama tayong mga vloggers din doon. Kasama rin natin ang In Adventure to. You know? Ang dati natin nakasama na nagluto ng pagi.
Ayun, pagi na naman tayo.
Pagi na naman. Ngayon tayo magsasama kami, pagi na naman.
Pagi na naman.
Pagi da legendary.
Kaya,
White Carabao, American Carabao.
yeah.
Initan lang siya, okay na yan. Steam lang siya, okay na yan. Okay. We look for a bigger one but they don't have no available
I
in
had that
market.
in El Nido.
Oh. Oh, nice knife. Kung natin matalas tong ano ni In Adventure. Huh? Oh.
Rice flour yata, ma'am.
Yeah, there you are.
Yung nagbili kami ng ulam, ang nakain namin kinunat.
I've had wives that I called stingrays. Cost me
Stingray with no sting.
I mean that place, remember? Oh,
Later they will remove that and give some.
because of a bunch of
Kaya
monkeys.
ubusin pala ng mga 3 days, mga 10 piece. Hindi kayo ubus pa.
But
Dito yung pakita.
still enjoy. Yeah. Yeah.
Dito ipaganon mo. Bayan.
Stingray.
Sumasam.
A baby fish.
Sunayin natin pituin yung ano, yung pagi.
Okay, I'm done with it.
Sit.
Beer lang.
Masana yung hard ka?
Ha? Ngayon pa lang. Laman niya kasi.
Anong luto dyan?
Tandoy light.
Hingate ng mantika.
Oo, para sa try natin yun, ano ah. They try, ano? Kamilok.
Tahong guys.
I'm based in El Nido. Because I'm,
Po-fry natin siya.
I'm driving a bus.
Crispy fry.
Private resort, two beaches,
Gusto muna. Oops, wait lang.
outstanding deck where people go get married. And
Kabila.
but her husband died. And her husband was
Fried pagi. There you are. Oh. No? You know? Fried pagi. Fried tahong. Fried tahong. Muscle ah. Wow, sarap nito. New recipe.
Pantra tapos.
Sticker. No available sticker. Sticker kala ko, sticker eh. Pabakas, walang pabakas.
Wala, doon na. Sila, ano sa
you know, boy, you're as tall as me.
Yun guys, kasama natin yung Palawan boy. Ito,
bungkag.
mga kasama niyo.
So I'll be very,
They
very
have,
careful.
ano,
Yan guys, Palawan boy yan.
sir, they have motorbike rental if you want to go with them. Ah,
You know?
meron ba?
There you are. Ingat.
And they're all.
Adventure bike.
No, it's more.
Sus. Nala si Lucy. Wow, grabe na kasungit. Bakit?
Tapos na. Maybe, I think it's done. No. Yes, oh. Visit. Here's our mussel. Yeah. And the stingray. In here. How many we are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Only one.
So this, let's count
Lucy! Lucy!
we are 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh. So each of us can get 1.
Lucy counts for 2.
Okay, the stingray.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I think this is done. Done, guys. Look at the stingray. The fried stingray. Here. Yep. Okay, let's try
Ma'am,
for our lunch.
turn.
We make a pancit canton.
What's katon?
This is for boys and you have your
Here?
girls. Pwede na to. Kaya dapat yung ano yung may ano yung... Pwede na to. Pwede na to.
Okay na to?
Okay na to?
Sino yan yung todo na to? Si Zero pa ba yan?
Hindi, meron tayo na yun sa ano. Sa ano.
Walang ano eh.
Ito ang ilog. Wow, ilog.
You guys pronounce your vowels differently.
Carbo. The carbo is ano, the one without hair in the head.
Caribou. What is the last letter in caribou? That big around, right?
Wow, may spicy. Manamang pala to.
Pancit.
Spicy?
Pagtida, walang ano yun ha.
Where? Nice. Banana. Our cokes. And here's the fish. Here, the fish.
Wow, wow.
Okay.
Filipino
Yeah.
love rice.
No? Rice. You know the
Team rice.
you know the Filipino
Yeah.
who
And
love rice.
Without rum.
pansit.
Here.
Okay.
Ala ka, nilalangaw.
Patayan mo na.
Sabagay, kaliskis lang.
Tapos na kami magluto. At papakita ko sa inyo yung niluto namin. Ito, yan, ginagayat ni TJ yung ano, onion. Yan. Meron kami ditong isda, you know.
Is this the
Grilled?
English subtitles you were telling me about?
Yeah, of course.
This is pancit.
In this video, I will put subtitles. So, meron tayong
Sardines pancit.
sardines pancit. And of course, our mussels, tahong, fried. And this one is the stingray fried stingray. This is our first time we cook this kind of dish.
This kind of variety.
Yeah. Let's check. Taste. Here, let's check. Oh, it's my first time to eat the fried stingray. Looks smells good. Not bad for a rookie, but it depends on the person who eat this. The tendon, we call tendon.
Masarap?
It's bone, but ano? Tendon. Tendon. Tendons.
Tendon.
Yeah. Tendon. The soft bone.
I ain't sitting there. I'm a red ant.
Yeah, so let's start to it, guys. We are now with my new friend, Phil Frey from America.
It's back to back.
We start over again.
Yeah.
Woo! And of course, PJ, you know, in adventure, and
Yes.
his wife,
Welcome
Christina.
back.
Pray will pray.
Lord, thank you for this opportunity to meet with friends and be blessed with food, family, memories, and safety through our adventures. Please grant us with
Tikman na natin ng ating pansit. Ito.
Pancit good.
Yep.
Only Carla.
Fried mussels. Yeah?
deep fry.
Fried mussels, yeah. What can you say about the mussels? Fried mussels?
It's the best so far.
Best? Wow.
But I haven't tried the
Okay.
stingray yet. The fish is badass too.
Ah.
But when you have a mussel, a shell,
Mm.
and what do? You steam or you boil?
Fried stingray.
We try.
So, try it.
Okay.
Hang on.
And this was oiled and deep fried.
Wow. It's good.
I'm still.
Actually, it's poisonous.
No.
It's a joke. It's poisonous.
Okay.
Favorite? Mussels.
Mussels. Goodness.
I like this mussels, huh?
They're very good. What I like about them is the size.
Guys, good.
This is nice too.
The best.
Best.
The best cooking adventure.
Nice piece, very nice.
Nala. Australia Force, Nala.
Hmm.
You can hire me. I give you a discount so we can take
What?
with our friends in our van
Wow.
going
good.
to Australia.
That's good
Or
idea.
it's a private van.
No, that's already set in stone. You already offered me 50% discount.
Oh, 30%?
Let's capture the calabash and it's longer the stick.
Oh, nagalabo.
Ayaw nga pala, no? Tandahan lang. Guys, Mick. Ala, grabe katapang!
It looked like a golf course on the side of the mountain.
Hmm.
That's the first thing I thought.
Let's do it. Malamig?
Ang sakto lang.
Sali ko na. Sabog ko na.
Nililigawan ko ba yung sarili ko? Kasi parang bigla ko nilamig.
Tapos na kami maligo at uwi na tayo. Pero may dadaanan tayong doon mamaya magagandang view. So, tara. Guys, ang hirap nito sitwasyon, guys, oh. May dala-dalang kawa.
Patayin kay Idol.
Ganito talaga.
Ayan, another memories na ating naman.
Bit-bit pa rin natin ating kawa. Pauwi na tayo.
Yeah.
They suck.
Bye!
Into the paradise.
So very, very peaceful.
Napicture mo ako?
Ano?
Yan.
Yan. Paikot. Yan.
Isa pa.
Hi!
Okay, this is what I want. I want everybody, the mountains behind. The mountains behind.
Okay, okay. Go. So guys,